Hey Coffin girls, this is Lisa. I'm out of San Antonio. Welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna do something a little new. I got this little stand and I used some putty type of stuff, some kids clay, and stuck these nails on here, and I just want to try some nail art. I don't get live clients every day, and even when I do, I swear I'm the worst like videographer when it comes to doing clients' hands. So I am gonna try to get some, humans on my channel every once in a while. But I just wanted to do some nail art. Like, I love using my little practice hand, but I also don't want to have to do a whole set of acrylics just to do a little art. So I got this little thing so that I could play around with some design, just so I could get better at gels. So I'm so glad that you guys are joining me, and I'm using some really cool, not necessarily neons, but just bright colors on this set, and I absolutely love it. I've been seeing these colors all over the internet, all over Facebook, all over the nail groups, all over YouTube. So I was just really dying to see these colors, myself. And, I'm new at certain things, so I'm just kind of creating techniques as I go based off of what I've seen other people do and kind of just rolling with it. So, bear with me. It is going to be an interesting little road trip, but we're going to get there together, and it just goes to show, try and try again. If you're not good at something to start with, keep doing it. And if it comes out unexpected, then you know what? That's art. So these, I think, came out really, really cute. I hope you guys like them, and stay tuned to the video.
invincible.
You know, honestly, I don't remember who I saw do this little technique. I feel like whoever I did see do it did it a hell of a lot better than I did. So I'm just, again, kind of learning things and trying new things. If you do muddy it up and get one side a little bit brighter than the other or a little too dark, just add a little extra of the gel and, you know, blend that sucker in and it will come out cute anyways. That's one thing about this is with any art project that you are doing, you don't know what the outcome is going to come out looking like. It is completely up to the interpretation of you doing it. You know, I'm going to do something and you're going to try to do it and it's not going to come out the same. That's the beauty of it. That's what makes everybody enjoy having nails, because everybody has their own style. So I'll quit rambling. Enjoy, guys.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the better below you said myself. But this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, now I'm on the ground. I know the truth. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the better below you said myself. But this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth. Oh, now
Okay, so here is kind of a funny part. I'm gonna use this cool little adhesive that I have to paint over the pink nail because I want to add some holographic to it. So I'm gonna use this new foil that I got in, these little holographic transfers. But it does not go quite as expected. So wait till you see all this hot mess. So here's me trying the new foil that I got in. Now I showed this foil, it comes from Aliexpress. I showed this on one of my nail mail videos. And this is exactly why I like doing these videos for you guys, because you get to see stuff fail, you get to see stuff pass. And I tried so hard with this. I was so happy. I was like, this is gonna look so amazing. And you know, you just start setting your little heart into it, and next thing you know, it's like the Titanic. It just sinks as fast as it, you know, as fast as you thought it was fixed to work out amazing. It just doesn't. So this was pretty funny at the moment. My little brain, I was like, no, why? But you know, things happen, and that's why, you know, we're here to test these things out for you guys. You know, if you guys want something tested, you know, tell me what you want tested, send me a link, and I will try to land it and test it out for you, because this right here was a waste of money. Look at that, nothing stayed. And that's because I do the same exact technique on some that I have that I know works, and it comes right off perfectly. So, you know, with this nail, I really was just trying to achieve a little bit of hollow on it, just to give it that little bit of, you know, wow factor. So I went ahead and just slapped it, you know, covered it with adhesion, and did round 2 with one that I know works. Apparently this one doesn't. And I just moved on, and it still looks amazing. Again, when you're doing something, always have a little bit of a backup plan, and if your plan doesn't go perfectly, it don't matter, it's art anyways. Now look at all that pretty hollow. I am such a hollow girl. 90s in the house. You know, and now this, I give a shout out to like Simply Hollow, or Simply, what is it? Simply No Logical. I love her. She's so crazy, and she brings the hollow back to everything. This is so pretty to me. I love it. Like, what a summery little sporty set. It gives you that neon, so you feel like it's beachwear. Gives you a little bit of hollow, so you can still go to the club, go have some fun. and it still just has that draw to the eyes. So, you know, I hope you guys like this. Be sure, if you want to see more of these type of videos, be sure and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. The like and subscribe and notification allows me to make more videos for you guys.
Here we go.
Well, here is the little summer set. So thank you guys for joining me. Be sure and, you know, hit like and subscribe. And our shout out notification this week for this video is from the person that commented last video, is Strong Mama. Strong Mama is one of my shout outs from previously. And thank you for watching, Strong Mama. I love you so much. You guys have a good day. Bye.